All right, Bruce, give the people an overview here of what you planning on doing today.
Basically what we're planning is take off anything that isn't going to the rebuilder, like the exhaust, the water pump, that sort of stuff. I broke a bolt right here, I think, somewhere down here, one of these, this one. Trying to take that off, and I figure that's a job for the rebuilder. He can take that out. Rod says, "What are you going to do? How can you get that out?" I said, "I'm not. The rebuilder's going to." So now I just got to get it off the other side, and we're going to lift it up, pop the pan off, and look underneath and see what's buggered up under there.
Sounds manageable.
Yeah, we'll go with that theory. Just a little at a time, because I got to pull it backwards.
Look at big.
Okay, now we're right into my tools.
Perfect.
If I can find a 1/2-inch 6-point, I might be okay.
Which is Bruce?
It's too big, it's 5/8. 7/16.
If you haven't got one, I got some with the hose.
Oh, I've got one. It's chewed.
What's this one here, Bruce? That's 11.
Yeah, it's just wrong. But I had a hammer here once upon a time.
Oh, hang on.
You got it?
I got it.
Okay.
I'll bring a hammer on. I got it over here.
Okay, that's good.
You knock a smaller one on
It's a 12mm. It's a hair too small, but
because it's chewed.
yeah, the 1/2 inch is the size it should be, and it's just too chewed up to go on. And I gotta take this thin cover off before I can take off the manifold bolts.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if I can get this on here. Banging it on like that actually helps loosen it as well. Gets it to crack loose a bit. So I'm trying to brake. I think it's turning. Nope, it's braking.
Did you shear the head?
Yep, I sure did. There's a couple of them that's happened to.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for. I need something in here. I can hammer that bolt out. Or the nut, whatever. Broken piece. Broken piece remover. See, ideally, if I could put this in like a vise or something.
Want me to hold on or what?
No, that would be dangerous. I would be trusting me with a hammer on this end and you fighting with it on that end. That's not a good plan. That'll hurt you. If I slip, bad enough if I hurt myself. There it goes. Another one out.
They're technically out, right?
This man just a book of knowledge.
Ooh.
Hey, who said he needs a
So-
dictionary?
I met Bruce, and then I gave him a nickname.
Which was?
Big Brain Bruce.
You know, there you go.
There's
Double B. Big brain.
he comes
don't
up
mind
to
that one.
solutions.
What's that? BB? Big
No,
brain.
I don't mind the big brain Bruce part. I can live with that. That's pretty good. I like that
He
one.
comes up with solutions to problems that other people can't come up with solutions for.
No, because a lot of people, including myself, the solution is fuck it, walk away from it.
That's not quite a solution.
Solution, but hey, whatever, it works.
It does for me.
Ooh, yeah.
This one's gonna break too, yep. Same one that broke on the other side.
Uh-oh. No.
Come on. I believe in you, Bruce.
This is where leverage comes in handy. I didn't bring a pipe.
Do you want to use the jack pipe?
Will I go over this? I wonder. If I go over this, sure.
Well, what can do?
Oh, no, I
highly doubt it.
don't know if this will.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it will.
Oh, look at that.
Like it was made for it. Okay, this is a factory extender, part number. I don't know.
It looks like it's going to work instead of
If
snapping.
you call in now,
But that's okay. Again, that's the engine rebuilder guy's job. You can figure that out.
oh, they're gonna love you.
Oh, they get this kind of crap all the time.
You're right on the money there, I imagine.
So that's just age and inevitability, or
Yeah. It's not something I could have done different to stop it from happening.
but
It's kind of stuck on the motor mount. Holy hell. Can't win for losing around here.
that's okay.
We'll go up a bit higher, this will come out. Yeah, no problem. There, now the exhaust is off.
Freedom.
That crossover went underneath. So we're gonna go just a bit higher and pop this pan off.
Bob's drunk and be able to see exactly what's going on, right?
Yeah.
I guess the curiosity really getting you now, right, Bruce? What I find is astonishing. After it comes back, it looks so nice and shiny and clean
Yeah.
and painted. You hate to put it back in again.
You want to hang it like art?
Yeah.
Now there's the exhaust. Oh, I'm so exhausted.
Surprising the pipe is still in good condition, eh?
Yeah. Okay, the plan is we're gonna tip it up on the plywood. Okay.
Jack her up a bit for you, or
No, just lower it down.
down?
Yep. It's leaking. Oh well.
And that is.
Anyway,
All right. Well,
can I go down further? Okay, that's good enough.
all of your tools in the antifreeze.
That's okay. Change these. It's okay. Okay, now the ones on the end have a bigger, like they use a bigger socket, a bit thicker bolt. And
Is there a reason for that?
Yeah, probably.
just a little bit stronger, I think. Oh, this makes life easier.
It's almost like it was made for that.
You'd think so, huh?
As long as your luck's not like mine, the last bolt, battery dies.
I can always do them by hand if I have no choice, but this makes my life a little easier.
That's why I love them kind of tools.
Yeah. Yeah, I know, I'm making a mess. Good thing she's got cats. She'll have cat litter, that's good for absorbing this stuff. Comes off so much easier when you undo the last bolt.
And look at how nice that looks.
Yeah, now there's a lot of crap in this pan. Now that dent in there would be right here where it's not hitting anything, that dent in the pan.
Yep.
Which is there. That's going to be here, so it wouldn't have hit anything, so that's not a problem. Nothing's rubbing against it, which is good. But I'm suspecting that one of these
What's that?
It's gonna. These are the piston rods. Yeah, the connecting rods. See, this one's got play.
Yeah, that one definitely has.
That's bearing. That's bearing play. Yeah. So that answers my question, and we definitely have a bad bearing, rod bearing. We could just pop this up and change the bearings, but I don't really trust that on an old engine like this. It's been sitting for a long time. We get that fixed, and I'd rather send it off to the rebuilder and let him do his thing, work his magic.
Would make a whole lot more sense, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Because I'd be only like doing half an engine job, right?
Yeah, it would cost a few more dollars, but it would make a lot more sense. Gotta have a catchphrase, right? There you go. Okay, now.
Well, at least you now know, right?
Yeah, I know that's what I thought it was. Now I know I'm right.
Now you know you're exactly right.
So now I want to take these brackets off because they're going to be in the guy's way. I got it. Keep holding that engine, thank you.
Did you know you were going to do this much work tonight?
I'm enjoying this. I'm getting dirty. I'm going to be able to say I'm a full-fledged mechanic. My hands are dirty.
Yeah, you can claim to be a dirty old man in two different ways.
There you go.
Oh my God.
That's what she calls me all the time. Dirty old man.
Yeah, not just your mind this time.
No.
Okay, so we're going to take this out.
Nope. Sorry.
That's all right.
Get that one.
Okay, so what we've got here is, this is the one that's got play in it, which means these bearings are gone. These are okay. The rest of them seem to be all right, but if one's gone, then the next aren't far behind. And up here you can see the timing chain. I don't know if you can get in there, but if I have a light, there's a lot of play back and forth in this timing chain. And it means it's done. If that timing chain breaks, basically says goodbye to the engine, but we're going to get a new one in there, so we're all set. Okay, I'm just going to put the pan back on so we can set this back down. And I'm just going to put a couple of bolts back in it.
I got this side here for you, Bruce.
Okay, I'm just going to put one in each corner to hold it in place. I'm not going to put them all back in at this point.
Don't you want the impact again?
Yeah, maybe.
Why do it matter when you can do it electrically, right? Or is the battery dying?
No, I just had it on
Oh.
slow.
You slow a setting?
No, I just barely pull the trigger. You can control the speed by how fast you pull the trigger.
I'd be curious as hell how we managed to get that pan. You know what I mean? With that kind of
Banged it up like that?
Yeah. I could see
Ran over.
I could see the like this section here, but to have it like in on the crease itself.
Yeah, well, I'm just glad he did because it misses everything inside. All the moving parts miss it,
Right.
which is bizarre that he managed to get that lucky.
Yeah, really. Maybe I'm wondering, maybe was it possible when they heard the motor start rocking, that could have been the damage, and that's why he backed it in the garage?
No, because that wasn't causing any problems. That wasn't rubbing against anything. If that was where the problem was, it would have been rubbing there. On the inside, you'd see rub marks. There's
Yeah.
nothing rubbing against it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to roll it back onto the pan, because it doesn't really matter if it just sits on the pan, because the pan's
All
dented
the
and
other
get
stuff's
replaced anyway.
And all the other stuff's out of the way.
Yeah, so we're good. So we're going to try to roll it back down this way. Yeah, come right here, Jeff. You're a big, strong, tough guy.
I'll get the hell out of the way.
Go back into the camera.
I like how you just say you're a big, strong, tough guy.
Yeah, no, we don't want to drop it though.
Yep.
Put it on. The tricky part is to lower it slowly. Gradually. Yeah, drops a little bit. It's not going to kill me. Okay. That's good. Now,
Hold it. You get the.
yeah, roll it up that way just a bit, and I'll put the block under this side. Okay. If you can put the block under that side. Good enough. Now we just throw all the tools back in the bucket and call it a day.
And here's the real behind the scenes. This is where the real work gets done.
Yes, nice and neatly put away. All the tools cleaned.
Every
and
socket
put away
in its
properly.
place.
Yes.
Never going and hunting
All
for
wet
another
down.
one again.
Wet down, clean, and everything. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Extra screws not left in driveway for flat tires.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Yeah.
With a thank you note saying thanks for the flat tires.
Now there is a fancy little clip. I'm not even quite sure what that one is for particularly, but there's fancy little clips like this in various places in cars. And you never know when you're going to lose one, so I always save those.
I thought you were going to make that into a clip itself. A clip about clips.
Oh, there we go. That's good. There, perfect. As long as you don't look too close.